Hey guys, I'm at the Guete Rise store in Express Avenue Mall in Royalpeta, Chennai. Today I'm going to talk about the Spectra collection of the Victorinox brand. As you could see, it has got the guards on the corners, which gives extra protection, and it has also got dual wheels on the bottom, and this is made of 100% virgin polycarbonate, which is tough and durable. And the product also has Swiss tracker, with which it can be tracked anywhere across the globe. And you also have TSA locker. And if you open this is the main compartment where you can keep all your clothing. So that's the main compartment. Now let us go to the topmost one, which is frequently used while traveling. So this is where you can keep all your gadgets, your iPad, your laptop, and this is detachable. So as you could see, this alone can be used as a secret compartment to keep your files. So the product comes with international warranty as well. I would highly recommend this product. Go for it.